Yung may nagtanong kanina na ano, additional ba ang presyo?
Ito na ang last, kailangan galingan. Itodo mo lahat, isang daan. Never say die, Ginebra ikampay. Kasama mong lumaban sa buhay ay kasabay. Never say die, Ginebra ikampay. Kasama mong lumaban sa buhay ay kasabay. Ikaw naman.
Ito kasi
Frank.
Ganda oh. Yeah. Shoutout nga pala sa Ginebra San Miguel na maraming salamat ako ng TV nyo. Let's go! Hey! 1, 2! Sipag lang, hayaan mo sila, sa'yo'y mahal na. Pag-ingin to, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Diretso lang, kahit meron pa humarang araw-araw. Sipag lang, hayaan mo sila, sa'yo'y mahal na. Pag-ingin to, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Diretso lang, kahit meron pa humarang. Kala ko dati nandito na lang. Dito na lang, para ko dati humito na lang. Akala ko dati wala nang mapapala. Mabuti na lang, hindi pa ako nagdadala. Kung pinangihina hanggang ngayon, paligapan ako sa di mo lang to. Anong dahilan ba't ginawa mo? Ngayon ka pa nga pa hihinto. Palayo-layo na yung narating mo. Gawin na lahat na sa isip mo. Huwag mo na gawin na yung huminto.
The Herald, Senyor Alan Mercado.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Nasaan ba yung mga fans ko? Sa gabing ito, isang espesyal na pagdiriwang ang ating sasaksihan. Ipinahayag natin ang ating pagbibigay pugay sa ika-190 taon ng Ginebra San Miguel, isang kumpanyang umaapaw sa kasaysayan at inspirasyon na mas matanda pa kaysa sa mismong Republika ng Pilipinas. Ang brand Ginebra San Miguel ay unang pinakilala 190 taon na ang nakakaraan. Noong 1834, isang
Senyor Ron Molina. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Good evening, mga kabarangay, at sa lahat po ng ating mga panauning ngayong gabi. On the 190th year
of Ginebra San Miguel, we celebrate the art of gin. Sabi nga ni Boss Alan. And tonight, you will witness a journey of 3 acts. Act 1 is about the origins of gin, the art of the origins of gin, which starts with Europe's obsession over the juniper berry. Yung juniper berry po, yan po ang main ingredient ng gin, ang nagpapasarap po ng gin. Act 2 is the art of ginovations, which took Ginebra San Miguel from a drink of peninsulares and insulares nung araw to become the drink now enjoyed by popular demand. And Act 3. Act 3 is the act of imaginations, which takes Ginebra from just a product now to a brand that inspires expressions, creations, and popular culture.
Sobrang solid kagabi, iba aking ngiti. Ay sawat nasasabi sa gilid ng loki. Bumababa yung tama, paangat ng paangat. Minsan lang ito kaya ating isagat. Paso lagyan mo ng ice, ice. Namumula na ang ice, ice. Yung pag meron lamang cash, sakit na sa mata ng flash. Yeah, mahaba pang gabi, maaga pa sulitin. Di rin ako sure kung kailan ko to uulitin. Kaya labasan po ko ng tagay, pausukan galing mo may mapis. Sa inyo gusto pumunta ngayong gabi na to, par? Sa kapunta! Sa kapunta! DJ Jock, dali natin sila lahat sa mall. Let's go! Sa lahat ng mga nakakalabali niyo ako sa bayan, par. Yeah! Yeah! Sa kapunta! 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 To the moon, bro drip, bro bro, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula, nasa ng jeans, nadala mo ba? Bawal ang duos at peke sa biyahe kung isa ka dyan, ikay bumaba, sa kapunta, to the moon, bro drip, bro bro, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula, asa ng jeans, bro drip, skirt skirt, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula, asa ng jeans, nadala mo ba? Bawal ang duos at peke sa biyahe kung isa ka dyan, sa kapunta, road trip, brr brr, skr skr, zoom zoom, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula. Di mo matitikman, bagay na iyong inaasam. Lahat isang daan, never say die, never ikampay, kasama mong lumaban sa buhay na sabay. Never say die, never ikampay, kasama mong lumaban sa buhay na sabay. Yo, mga pala sila pa kayo namin. Maraming salamat. Kanina nung pinahin ko ang buong kanta na to, may sobrang naiyak ko kasi ang tagal ko sinulat na ito. Kasi gusto ko mag-reflect sa totoong buhay. Sana naramdaman niyo kung ano gusto ko parating ng mensahe. Maraming salamat. Ginebra San Miguel. Maraming salamat para mga pala sila mga I love you all. Kung tayo dumagang gabi, di na alintan ang oras ng aking uwi. Bago sakripisyo aking isinatabi, para sa pamilya merong mauwi. Alam sa sarili na papanahon, masasagutan din ang mga tanong, masisigaw din ang mga bulong. Ang bantay palagi ang aking gulong, sa kasusuro ko naroon, gabay ko palagi ang Panginoon. Salamat po sa pagtugon, di nahirap ngayon, kasi nga'y dating nahirap ngayon ang iba. Buti di nagpa-apekto at nagpadama sa mga nagsabi na wala akong mapapala. Ako'y papakot, ilang beses man to madapa. Kung di ka gagalaw, di mo matitikman, bagay na iyong inaasam. Kung ito na ang last, kailangan galingan, itodo mo lahat. bawat isang daan. Never say die, never ikampay, kasama mong lumaban sa buhay ay kasabay. Never say die, never ikampay, kasama mong lumaban sa buhay ay kasabay.
So if you will look at this composite image of the Grupo de Filipinas,
The triumph it had only begun. Decades later, GSM Premium Gin would be created for the discerning drinker, offering a practical yet elevated experience for those who have defined their premium. Then, for the emerging generation of millennials who like to choose what's true, GSM Blue would offer authentic cocktail flavors to enhance occasions of bonding among
Papanday ng tagumpay na kaayuhan kontra sa dautan. I shall strike with 90 proof strength and ultra smoothness that transcends time. Mi nombre es San Miguel at ito ang aking mi ultima forma, the Archangel Reserve. Humans, behold, a masterpiece born from almost 2 centuries of unparalleled gin artistry. This limited series, Ultra Premium Gin, captures the very essence of the Filipinos' excellent history. Here's a pot still from the 80s, which presents the traditional way of distilling alcohol and botanicals in small batches, each drop flowing from a copper pot still is a testament to centuries of dedication, innovation, and passion. Experience the zenith of gin craftsmanship made from 6 heavenly botanicals where heritage and purpose converge in a symphony of perfection. A spirit worth only for the finest of the chosen ones. Mga pinipili at pinong-pino. Mga Pilipino!
Tonight, we stand on the threshold of time itself, poised to witness not only an extraordinary moment, but to partake in it together. As the first ever 1-liter bottle is opened, we have the privilege of savoring the inaugural sip of the 190 Archangel Reserve, where tradition attains transcendence. And to lead us in this momentous occasion, here is the General Manager of Ginebra San Miguel, Don Noli Macanalan. Sir, would you do the honors of cracking open the very first bottle? We're writing history together here, ladies and gentlemen. Don Noli, please do the honors. Look at this beautiful bottle that we have here, inspired by classic design, as Professor took us through 190 years of history. We've got the Frasco spirit on here. We've got the etching, which we've seen on the early bottles. And truly a commemorative gin that has been created to mark 190 years. We have a taste of this gin doing the rounds of the room. Please, everyone, take one. Joining us on stage are the executives of Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated.
Our glasses together. Let every sip carry the weight of centuries past and the promise of an unparalleled future. Here's to more innovations. Salute!
But if we're going to study the etymology of gin, makikita po ninyo na galing ito sa Latin na juniperus. And it refers to, as mentioned a while ago, the juniper tree or berry that was the main ingredient for the production of gin. Okay? So if we go back to the history of gin in the Philippines, how did it reach us? Ang sagot po dyan ay, it was first brought to us by the British during the British occupation of Manila and its environs. Kailan po yun? 1762 to 1764. After that, a Spanish version of the gin de Menorca, or the gin de Macon, will reach the Philippines via the galleon trade in the early 19th century, and it will become popular with the Spaniards. However, if we're talking about the history of gin as it is tinatawag nating Casa Rojas.
Ito na po yung sa inyo, ma'am.
It had a distillery called Distilleria Licoreria Ginebra San Miguel Mayan. Okay? Ginebra San Miguel was born in the same century that the Filipino nation was born. Nandang po rin yan, babalikan po natin yung bago. In 1869, the Casa Rojas became Rojas Hijos y Rojas Hermanos, and then it was renamed into Ayala y Compañía. In 1876, Ayala y Compañía acquired northern equipment from France, at dahil po doon ay naging mas mura at mas efficient ang distillation ng Nipah pulp. At ang Ginebra po ay merong malalawak na mga plantation ng Nipah that enabled it to produce Ginebra San Miguel de Ayala in larger quantities. And it was sold in the usual Dama Juanas or demijohns. Nakita niyo po yung exhibit kanina sa labas. Dito merong malaking Dama Juana.
A few days, a few hours, a few moments from now, World Gin Day will be declared and celebrated, of course. And the question that begs to be asked, of all the races, Professor Alvin Campoanes